Okay, my dear children, in the number systems you have already studied different collections of numbers. Do you remember that?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me, Benjamin?
Yes, sir. Natural numbers, whole numbers, fractions,
Before that,
and rational integers,
very good. Integers,
rational numbers,
rational numbers, okay.
fraction.
Fractions and rational numbers. You are studying rational numbers also. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Uh, in the number systems, ascending order and descending order. You know what is meant by
Yes,
ascending
sir.
order and what is meant by descending order?
Small to big is ascending order. Descending order is big to small.
Very good, my dear Anjali. Small number to bigger number. If you write the numbers small number to bigger number, that is called ascending order. If you write the numbers, if you write the given numbers from bigger number to smaller number, this order is called descending order. Now today let us discuss some problems based on this ascending order and descending order. Okay. My dear Jason, Tejas, my dear Jason, Tejas, my dear Jason, Tejas, are you there online? My dear Jason, Tejas,
Sir's mic is not working properly, I think.
his mic is not working.
I think, sir.
Okay, ma. Jordan, Paul, my dear Jordan, Paul, my dear Jordan, Paul, are you there online? Yes. Can you read this line? Can you read this line? Read it.
2, 10, 5, no, 2, 10, 6, 5, 13, and 4 in ascending order.
Okay. Here I have given some numbers. What should be written here? What should be done here?
So we have to write them in ascending order.
We have to arrange, we have to write these numbers in the ascending order. Okay. Now can you tell me the ascending order of these numbers?
Yes, sir. The first number is 2, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 10, and then last number is 13.
Very good, my dear Jordan. Okay, my dear children. He arranged, he wrote the given numbers in the ascending order. Okay, my dear children.
Yes, sir.
My dear Tikshasri, are you there online? Please read this question, my dear Tikshasri. Read this question. Can you read this question, my dear Tikshasri? Tikshasri, can you read? Okay, my dear Tikshasri. Leticia, can you read this line?
Yes, sir.
Read this question.
Write 2 minus 10 minus 6, 13 minus 4 in ascending order.
Now, can you arrange these numbers in ascending order?
Two minus 4, 2, 13 minus 4 minus 6 minus 10.
Is it correct? My dear Lavani, she told the numbers in the ascending order. Have you heard her answer, my dear Lavani? Leticia told ascending order of these numbers. Is it right answer? Please raise your hands, my dear children, who will tell ascending order of these numbers.
Sir, can I say?
Sir, can I say?
Tahisina, let her give the answer. Tell me, Tahisina, my dear Tahisina, tell me. Tahisina, tell me.
Yes, sir. Sir, can you say the question again?
Are you not able to see the screen? Are you watching the screen or not?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to see that question clearly?
No, sir.
No?
Sir, can I try?
Okay.
Minus 13.
Minus?
Sir, is the 13 minus?
No. It is only 13, not
Okay,
minus
sir.
13.
Okay, sir. Minus 10.
Very good. Minus 10.
Minus 6.
Very good. Minus 6.
Minus 4.
Minus 4. Very good.
2 and 13.
Very good, my dear Anjali. See, my dear children, here negative numbers are given, positive numbers also given. We have to write these numbers in ascending order. So, on the number line, how do you represent these numbers? See here, if you want to represent these numbers, here 0 is there, here 1, yes or no, 2. If you want to represent these numbers pictorially, visual representation of these numbers on the number line. See here like this, minus 1, minus 2 left side we write these numbers like this, minus 3, minus 4 like this, yes or no? So minus 5, here minus 6, so on so on. Here minus 10, here at most left side minus 10 we should be there, minus 10. After that minus 6, here minus 10 will be there. Next minus 6, next minus 4. On the number line, always the numbers are written in the ascending order only. You can start from any number on the number line. If you start from any number on the number line, the numbers are written right side in ascending order only. So here minus 4, next here 2, next after here 13. So after marking the numbers on the number line, you have to write utmost left side number as first number. After that we write the remaining numbers one by one. So minus 10, after that minus 6, after that minus 4, after that 2, after that 13. Understood this point, my dear children? If you represent
Yes, sir.
on the number line,
Yes, sir.
then you can easily identify which number is utmost left side, which number should be utmost right side. On the number line, the numbers are always marked in the ascending order only. Okay, my dear children. Now
Yes,
I will give you Can you read this question, my dear Vivek Marshall? Can you read these two lines, my dear Vivek Marshall?
What two lines, sir?
Read these two lines. Can you read these two lines? Question number 3. Are you watching the screen, my dear Vivek?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can you read these two lines? I kept my finger.
Write 10 minus 3 minus 10, 3, 7 minus 10, minus 7, 6 minus 6, 4 in
Descending order. Okay. In the descending order. We have to arrange. We have to write these numbers in the descending order. What is meant by descending order, my dear Vivek? Can you tell me? What is meant by descending order of numbers?
big to small, sir.
Yes, bigger number to smaller number. Now, can you tell me what is a bigger number here? In these numbers, what is a bigger number?
10, sir.
Next, 10. After that, what is the next bigger number? Wait, my dear Kevin. Down your hand, my dear Kevin. Just wait for a moment. Vivek is answering this question. This number is over 10.
7, sir.
Next bigger number is 7. Yes, okay. This bigger number, this is okay. In the remaining numbers, what is the bigger number?
6, sir.
6. In the remaining numbers, what is the bigger number?
4.
Yes, 4. Just round up the numbers which were written here. Okay. Now, out of the given numbers, which is the bigger number?
3, sir.
Yes, very good. 3. Next, which is the bigger number out of the remaining numbers?
-10.
No, no, -10. Not -10. Not -10, my dear Vivek. Bigger number. In these negative numbers.
Sir, can I tell, sir?
-3, sir.
-3, very good. -3 is a bigger number. Out of these negative numbers, -3 is a bigger number. Next one?
-6, sir.
Yes, -6. Next?
-7, sir.
-7. And last one is -10.
-10.
Understood this example, my dear children? We arranged positive numbers and negative numbers. We arranged these given positive and negative numbers in the ascending order and descending order. Okay, my dear children? Do you know decimal numbers? Decimal numbers.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me some examples of decimal numbers?
3.6,
Very good.
4.4,
4.4. Minus 1.1. Okay, this is also decimal number. Minus 3.7. This is also negative decimal number. Okay, my children. Now I will give you decimal numbers to arrange them in a ascending order. Okay. Who will read this question, my dear children? Okay, my
Me,
dear
sir.
Anjali. Every time Anjali is only raising her hand, she is participating in the class very actively. Others also, please, my dear children, you also participate. Your participation is highly needed. Okay, my dear children. Okay, my dear Anjali, down your hand. Read this question. First, read this question.
Write 2.3, 3.2, 5.42,
No, no.
5.14,
Wait, my dear Anjali. Here, you should not read it as 5.42. 5 point.
5.42.
That is the correct pronunciation, correct reading of this number.
Okay, sir.
Okay. After
Yes, sir.
decimal point, please remember this point, my dear children. After decimal point, we should read the digits separately. Don't read it as a single number. You should not read it as 5.42. You should read it as 5.42. Okay, my dear children, remember this point. Next, Anjali.
5.14, 2.17, 3.1 in ascending order.
Very good. Very good, my dear Anjali. So I gave here some decimal numbers, all positive decimal numbers. In the next example, I will mix negative decimal numbers as well as positive decimal numbers. Okay. Now come to this question. How do you write ascending order? Who will write? Who will say ascending order of these numbers? First we have to concentrate whole number part. Okay, my children. First of all, we have to concentrate. If you want to write decimal numbers in ascending order or in the descending order, first of all, we have to focus on whole number part. In a decimal number, there are two parts. Yes or no? Decimal number part and whole number part. In this number, for example, 2.3, 2 is said to be whole number part and 3 is after decimal point. After the decimal point, whatever the numbers are given, that is called decimal number part. So, first of all, focus on whole numbers. Here 2, here 3, here 5, here also 5, here 2, here 2. Okay, my children. So, here 2.3 is there. 2.3. Here 3.2. After decimal number, here only one digit is given. In this decimal number, after decimal point, 2 digits are given. Here 2 digits are given. Here also 2 digits are given. Here only one digit is given. For our convenient, we can write these numbers. First, we can write these numbers as 2.30. At the end, at the uppermost right side of a decimal number, at the uppermost right side, please remember this point, my dear children. After, at the end of uppermost right end side of a decimal number, we can write the zeros as many zeros as you want. As many zeros as you want, you can write at the uppermost right side of a decimal number. Here 2 decimal places are there. For our convenient, I am writing this number as 2.30. Here I am writing this number as, how can we write? To get 2 decimal places, 3.20. Just I am writing the second number. Understood this point, my dear children?
Yes, sir.
Next point, 5.42. Okay, this is already 5.14. 2.17. How do you write this 3.1? How do you write this 3.1?
3.10.
Very good, 3.10. So, now it is very convenient for us because in every decimal number there are 2 decimal places. Here also 2 decimal places. Here also 2 decimal places. Here also 2 decimal places. Okay. So, we made all the decimal numbers with 2 decimal places. Now, just imagine, ignore the decimal point. Then, what is the number 230? Yes or no? Just imagine there is no decimal point. Just assume. Suppose there is no decimal point. What is this number? 230. If you ignore decimal point, what will you get here? 320. Here 542. Just imagine there is no decimal point. 514. Here 217. Here 310. Yes or no? Understood this point? Yes, Just imagine there is no decimal point in every decimal number. Then write the numbers in the ascending order. That's all. That is a trick, a technique. Then can you tell me ascending order of these numbers?
2.17,
2.17, yes. 270,
2.30,
2.3.
2.0,
No need to write 0 because here in the given numbers, 0 is not there. Just for our convenient, we wrote the 0 at the rightmost end. Okay. Actual number is 2.3 only.
okay, sir.
Okay. Please remember
Okay,
this
sir.
point also. Okay. Next, this is over. This number is over. Next, this number is over. Next number,
3.1,
3.1. Very good. Just for our convenient only, please remember this point. We wrote 0 at the rightmost end. Okay. Next 3.1. Next,
3.20.
yes, 3.2. Not 3.20. It was not given in the question. We should write these numbers only. Only for our convenient, we wrote these numbers. Okay. Now tell me, 3.2 is over.
5.14,
Yeah, 5.14. Or you can round off these numbers also. After writing these numbers, you can also here round off. 5.14,
5.42.
5.42.
5.42.
Understood this point, my dear children? How
Yes,
to
sir.
arrange, how to write the given decimal numbers in the ascending order. I will give you one more question. Do you remember the steps what we followed here, my dear children? Yes, please remember these steps what we followed here to write. What is that? See this question, my dear children. Who will read the question?
Sir.
Okay, my dear Jeffrey.
Yes, sir.
Okay, read this question.
Please. Sir.
Yes.
Sir. Write 1.7, comma 0.27, comma 3.1, comma 2.27, comma 0.02, comma 2.01, comma 0.07 in ascending order.
Okay, my dear children. Observe these numbers. These are all decimal numbers. In these decimal numbers, here only one decimal place is there. In this number, two decimal places are there. In this number, only one decimal place. Here, two decimal places. In this number, how many decimal places?
2.
Yes, very good, Kevin. In this number, how many decimal places? How many decimal places are there? Yes. In this number also, two decimal places. So, but in this number, only one decimal place. Here, also one decimal place. So, as we wrote zeros at the uppermost right side, here also let us write these numbers. How can we write these numbers? 1.7,
7.
7. How do you write this number with two decimal places?
1.70.
Very good.
1.70.
I am writing.
1.70.
Very good. Very good. Here we are writing this decimal number with two decimal places, but actually only one decimal place is there. For our convenience, we are writing here 0 at right end, uppermost right end. Next 0.27. In this decimal number already two decimal places are there. No need to add 0 at the uppermost right side. Now come to this number, only one decimal place is there. Then how do you write? With two decimal places. How do you write 3.1 with two decimal places?
3.10.
Very good, Kevin. Very good, my dear Kevin. Next, write this number 2.27. Already two decimal places are there. In this number also 0.02, two decimal places. Here 2.01, two decimal places. Here 0.07. Just for our convenience, we wrote the given decimal numbers with two decimal places. Wherever only one decimal place is there, we added 0 at the uppermost right end of that decimal number. Okay, my children. Now, ascending order. Previously, I told you what I told you here. Ignore the decimal number, decimal point. Ignore the decimal point. What is the here? What will you get here? 170. What will you get here? If you ignore decimal point here, what will you get here?
27.
Very good. Only 27. Ignore the decimal point. Then we get here 27 only. Here,
310.
very good. Kevin, 310. This is
227.
227. This is
2.
2.
very good. Only 2. Only 2. Here, 201.
201.
201. This number,
7.
7. Just imagine these numbers in your mind. Just imagine these numbers in your mind and arrange them in the ascending order. What is the least number?
2.
Sir, sir.
Yes,
So 0.02.
yes, 0.02. Just round off that number. That is over.
So 0.07.
Yes, 0.07. 0.07.
0.27. 0.27.
0.27.
27.
Round off this number in the given numbers. Next,
1.7, sir.
1.7. 1.7. This number also over. Next,
Sir, 2.01. 2.01.
2.01. Next one,
2.27.
2.27. Next number,
Sir, 3.1.
understood this question,
Yes,
my
sir.
children? How to arrange the given decimal numbers in the ascending order. Understood these steps, my children? How to arrange the given decimal numbers in the ascending order. Now I will mix negative decimal numbers and positive decimal numbers to arrange them in the ascending order. Okay.
Sir, please move the book, sir.
Now it is
Thank you,
okay.
sir.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
read this question. Who will read the question, my dear children?
I will, sir.
Okay, my dear Kevin, read this question.
Write minus 0.1, 2.74, minus 3.5, minus 3.14, minus 0.02, 4.08, minus 2.34 in ascending order.
Very good, my dear Kevin. Very good. Now we have to arrange these numbers in the ascending order. First of all, let us write the
Sir.
numbers. Tell me.
Please move the book, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Here, what should we do first? What should we do first here? Do you remember?
Sir, we should add 0.
Yes,
Add 0.
we should add 0 because here highest decimal places are 2. Highest decimal places are 2. In some numbers, only one decimal place is given. In that case, we have to add 0 at most right end. Okay. Then how do you write this number? First number. How
Minus
do you write this?
0.10.
Sir, minus 0.10.
Very good. Next number.
2.74.
We write this number as it is because already there are 2 decimal places. Next number. How do you write?
Minus
Minus
3.50.
3.50.
Minus 3.50. Next number. Already
Minus
2 decimal.
3.14.
Minus 0.02.
Minus 3.14. We are missing this number. Minus 3.14. Next number. Minus 0.02.
Minus 0.02.
Next number 4.
4.03.
4.08.
And next number
Minus 2.34.
Minus 2.34.
minus 2.34. Someone read it as 34. Rectify that mistake, my dear children. Don't read it as 34. Minus 2.34. Okay. Just we arranged these numbers for our convenient by adding 0 at most right end. Now let us write ascending order. Now what I told you, ignore the decimal point and imagine there is no decimal point. Then read the given numbers. Then what will you get here? Minus 10. Yes or no? This is minus 10. Minus 10. Here 274. By ignoring
Yes,
decimal
sir.
point here, what will you get? 274. Here minus 350.
270. Minus,
Here minus
minus 350.
314.
Minus 314.
Minus 2. Minus 2.
2. Minus 2.
408.
408.
Minus
200.
234.
Minus 234.
Otherwise, you can write them in the rough work also. You can write them in rough work. For our convenient, I am writing here in rough work. In rough work. After ignoring the decimal point, what will you get? Minus 10. Yes or no? Minus 10. Here 274. Here minus 350. Just ignore. Imagine there is no decimal point and write the numbers as it is. Minus 314. Minus 314. Minus 2. 408.
Sir, I got the answer, sir.
Minus 234. Then arrange these numbers. Arrange these numbers in the ascending order. Who will tell the answer?
Sir.
Oh, okay.
So minus 3.5.
Minus 3 point.
3.5.
Yes, minus 3.5. Just to round off the given number, in the given numbers, minus 3.5 is over.
Sir, minus
Sir,
3.14.
3.14.
Minus 3.14. Minus 3.14.
Minus 2.34.
Minus 2.34.
2.34.
This number. Minus 2.34.
Sir, minus 10.
These are over. 350. These are also over. 314. Next number.
Minus 10.
Minus 10.
Sir,
Sir, it is minus 0.1.
Yes, minus 0.1. Minus 0.1. Round off here and here also minus 10. This is over.
Sir, minus 0.02.
Minus
0.02.
0.02.
yes. Minus 0.02. Next number.
Sir, 2.74.
74.
2.74. 2.74.
4.08, sir, next.
And last
4.08, sir.
number 4.08. You can do that rough work here. For your convenient, you can do that rough work like this. Just imagine there is no decimal point and write the numbers and arrange the numbers in ascending order according to the given numbers. Okay. Just to round up the numbers here and here, the given numbers, and write them in the ascending order. Okay, my children, understood one? Understood this point? How to write given numbers in ascending order and also in the
Yes, sir.
descending order.
Yes, sir.
Now I will give you fractions. Fractions. How to write them in the ascending order or in the descending order. Who will read the question?
Me, sir.
Yes, okay. Read, made it, Kevin.
Write 2 by 3. 3 by 2. 1 by 4. 4 by 3. 2, 4, 3 in ascending order.
Yes, very good. Down your hand, my dear Kevin. Down your hand. Then, how do you write these numbers in the ascending order?
Sir, we should find the LCM.
Very good. We have to convert all these numbers into like fractions. We have to convert all these fractions into like fractions. What is meant by like fractions?
All the denominators should be the same
Yes,
number.
all the denominators of the given fractions are same. So, to make them like fractions, we have to find the LCM of the given denominators. What are the denominators here? 2. Okay. Just we write these numbers 3 and 4.
Again,
Now let us find the LCM. 2 1, 2 3s, 2 times. Next 2 table, 2 3 1. Next 3 table. What is LCM?
sir, 12, sir.
2 into 3, that is equal to 12. Then how do you write this first fraction? Which number should be
Sir, we
multiplied
have
by
12. Sir, 4, sir.
So we must
Four.
multiply. We must multiply numerator and denominator by 4. To make the denominator 12, we should multiply the numerator and denominator by 4. Then, how do you write the second fraction? How do you write 3 by 2?
Sir, 6.
Yes, very good.
6.
So we multiply numerator and denominator by 6. Next, how do you write the third fraction?
3.
3. We multiply numerator and denominator by 3. Next number, 4 by 3. Which number should be multiplied here, numerator and denominators?
4.
4. Next number, 2. 2 means 2 by 1 only. 2 can be written as 2 by 1. Okay. Do you remember this point?
Yes, sir.
So, which number should be multiplied here? 12. Yes or no? To make the denominator 12, we should multiply by 12. Next, similarly, 4. Which number should be multiplied to get 12 in the denominator? 12 only. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And last number, 3 can be written as 3 by 1. Which number should be multiplied by numerator and denominator?
12.
Yes, very good. 12. Then what will you get the numerators in the denominators? Tell me. 8 by first fraction, 8 by 12. Second fraction, 18 by 12. Who will tell the third fraction? 1 3s are 3 by 12.
3.
Next fraction, 4 4s are 16 by 12. Next fraction, 24 by 12. Next fraction, what will you get here? What is the next fraction?
So 48 by 12.
48 by 12. And the last fraction, what will you get here?
36 by 12.
Very good. Here we made all the fractions into like fractions. All the denominators are same. Just by observing the numerators, we can arrange these fractions in the ascending order. Okay. Now let us write ascending order. Now can you tell me what is the least number, smallest number in the numerator?
3.
So
3 by 12.
But actually this is not given. This fraction is not given. This is a third fraction, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What is the actual third fraction here? 1 by 4.
1 by 4.
So we should write the given fractions only. So 1 by 4. Here I am writing 1 by 4. Next tell me, this is over 1 by 4. Next fraction. What is the next fraction? What is the next fraction? What is the smallest number?
2 by
Huh?
3.
Yes, 2 by 3, 8 by 12. That is nothing but first fraction, 2 by 3. So we should write second fraction, 2 by 3. What is the next smallest number? What is the next smallest number?
4 by 3, sir.
Yes, 4 by 3. Yes, 4 by 3. This is over. This is over. 4 by 3. 4 by 3. And the next fraction? Next one?
3 by 2.
3 by 2, sir.
Yes, second fraction. Second fraction here, 3 by 2. 3 by 2. And next fraction,
24. 2, sir.
yes, 2 only. 2. 2. Next number,
3.
yes, next number is 3 and next number is
4.
4. Understood this point, my dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we arranged the given fractions also in the ascending order by making them as like fractions, and we arranged them in the ascending order. Okay, my dear children?
Sir, can I write the 2, 3, and 4 as 2 by 1, 3 by 1, 4 by 1?
Okay, yes, we can write it. But what are the given actual numbers? 2, 3, 4 only. Yes or no? We should write the given numbers only as it is. No need to write 2 by 1, 3 by 1, 4 by 1. Only for our convenient, we write 2 by 1, 3 by 1, 4 by 1. Only in the calculation, for our comfortness, for our convenient, we write 2 as 2 by 1, 3 as 3 by 1, 4 as 4 by 1. Otherwise, no need to write 2 as 2 by 1, 3 as 3 by 1, 4 as 4 by 1.
Okay, sir.
Okay, my dear children. Now the time is 4 past 22 minutes. Now you can leave the meeting, my dear children. Take rest. Take care of your health, my dear children. Stay at home. Stay safe. Use mask. Use sanitizer. Sanitize your hands frequently and maintain social distance, my dear children. And I will post this classwork notes. I will post this classwork notes in the Google Classroom. Please find these classwork notes and write them and submit
Sir,
your.
rating.
Yes, I will post this classwork notes in the form of PDF. I will
Yes, sir.
post these classwork notes in the form of PDF in the Google Classroom today itself. By today night, I will post it. Please find that PDF in the Google Classroom. If possible, I will post this class also in the form of video. Okay, for your convenience, for your reference, I will post this class as video also. Okay, my dear children. Whatever the
Yes,
points
sir.
we discussed in this class, to recollect the points, to strengthen your knowledge, I will post this class also in the form of video. Okay, my dear children.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you can leave the meeting, my dear children.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Bye,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Bye, sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir. Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, my dear children. What, Jason? Samuel? What, my dear Angel? What, my dear John? Still you stayed online? You stayed back online? Leave, my dear Angel and John B. David. Leave the meeting, my dear children. What, my dear Angel and John B. David? Still you stayed back online? Were you staying back still? My dear Anjali, you also can leave the meeting. You also can leave the meeting, my dear Anjali. Angel. My dear Angel, still you stayed back online? Leave the meeting, my dear Angel. Angel. My dear Angel. Are you there online, my dear Angel? Still you are there online? Angel? Why are you not leaving the meeting? Angel? Are you there online or not? Angel? Why did you stay back online? Angel? Angel? My dear Angel? My dear Angel? Angel? My dear Angel, still you stayed back online?
Yeah. తింటావా? లేదు.
Angel?
ఫోన్ చేస్తున్నావా? దాంట్లో చూడొచ్చుగా వాట్సాప్. 4:30కి అయిపోతాము. షేవింగ్
చేసుకుంటా. అయిపోయిందిగా, క్లాస్ అయిపోయిందిగా.
నీకు చూసుకో. మరి చూడు ఇక్కడ, చూడు వాళ్ళ వెనకాల ఏదో ఉంది కదా. చూడు
టీవీలో
ఫోన్ పెట్టుకోవచ్చా? డాడీ అంజలి వెళ్ళిపోయిందా? చూడు డాడీ, అంజలి వెళ్ళిపోయిందా? అంజలి
చూడాలి. Angel, my dear Angel, still you are online? My dear Angel, why are you staying back online still? Angel, are you there online or not?